my lovely hubby has signed me up for this ride. Second annual ride, not your mother's Christmas ride. Yeah. Anyway, it says here, it's not for the faint of heart. It is truly a mentally and physically challenging ride. 30 plus miles, that was 48.2 kilometers. Washouts, rocks, there's going to be all sorts of obstacles. Dropping your bike and earning a few scratches is all part of this fun today. Also, it has made grown men cry. So, but it doesn't say it's made any women cry, so that's a good sign. But seriously, what makes you think that I can dirt bike this trail? Like, I might die here.
Oh, yeah.
It's made grown men cry, boyfriend.
Oh, talking about the oil?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
recap. How did the wifey do today?
Good.
What was the hardest part of the trail?
The rock.
How many kilometers did you ride?
50.
How many did I ride?
Half.
That's pretty good. I'll take it. On a scale 1 to 10, 10 being the hardest that you've ever ridden, what would you rate that trail?
5.
No. Serious?
6.
Those were big boulders. Okay, fair enough. Single track was easy, but the boulders. The boulder, the horse section and the washes, how hard were they?
6.5.
That's it. No, they were like a 9. They were big boulders. Did we have fun or what?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And I was told today that I was the first lady rider that they've ridden that trail with, right? That's kind of cool. I made her. That's pretty good. Okay, good night. Okay, that's a wrap.